Time once again for The Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, it is nice to see you guys today.
Good to be here, Dave.
All right, we have a question involving a worker at a bar today, and if she is held responsible for serving an intoxicated person. This is from Tara in Old Forge. She says, I work at a local bar. The LCE says I served a visibly intoxicated person. They want to fine me. Can they? So does the LCE have the right to do that to Tara in Old Forge?
Tara, they do. And Greg and I, we're two old bartenders, and the law changed a number of years ago so that the bartender, if the bartender is caught serving a visibly intoxicated person, the bartender as well as the establishment can both be fined in this particular situation.
This is the absolute big no-no for bar owners and bartenders serving the visibly intoxicated. The LCE has no patience for it, nor should they. If you're a trained professional serving drinks, you should get your RAMP certification. You should be looking for and spotting anybody who seems impaired and not serving them. You have an obligation as a server to protect your customers. So, if that's the case, this is to any of the servers out there, you should be looking for that, because one, you're protecting yourself, two, you're protecting the establishment, and from getting fined and having to deal with the LCE. So, and again, it's just, the other thing is, the people come out to have a good time. Sometimes they get a little ahead of themselves. So it's really on you as a server to sometimes say, hey, look, you had enough, you're done, cut them off. That's what you should be doing.
All right, so some good advice out there, and there may be servers that get into this situation and they need your legal help. How can they reach you guys?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And if you have a question like this involving a bar or situation like this, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment. But as Greg said, the server's got to be the voice of reason here.
And if you don't, because then what happens if they get in a car and they drink and drive, then it just gets even worse. So just please, use your common sense.
Yeah, then the bar and the server can both be criminally and civilly responsible.
All right, results matter with award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, serving Shikshini, Scranton, and everywhere in between. Guys, thanks so much.
Thanks for having us.
PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your ways to get your question featured right here on The Law and You.